Hey guys, it's Kukui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make coconut milk at home. It's so easy to make and it's way better than buying the processed coconut milk in the stores. You can use it in a lot of recipes. I use it a lot in smoothies or just drink it by itself with honey or cocoa powder etc. So now let's watch the recipe for today. Oh, and by the way, you don't have to peel the coconut skin off the brown skin. I take mine off because I like my coconut milk as pure white as possible, but you don't have to be unethical like me. It's a bit difficult and takes quite a bit of time taking the skin off. This coconut milk recipe is actually for less concentrated coconut milk, which I use in making Nigerian coconut rice and smoothies. But if you want thicker, creamier concentrated coconut milk, then you're going to cut down your water quantity. So instead of using 2 cups of water to 160 grams of coconut flesh, you would use 1 cup of water to blend the same amount of coconut flesh. And that way you're going to get really thick and creamy concentrated coconut milk that you can use in making desserts like coconut cake or to thicken sauces like curry chicken sauce, one of my favorite ways to use coconut milk. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so.